How to change email on Mercari. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change your email on Mercari. First of all, log in into your Mercari's account, then move to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. So once you can see your profile icon, you will no longer see sign up or login. And then the drop down menu that appears, ensure you select settings. So after selecting settings, you'll be taken to the settings page. On the settings page, you have the options for you to change your password, to change your name, to edit your profile, and then you'll see the email section. So click on it, and then once you click on it, you'll see the option for you to delete your old email address and to enter in your new one. So ensure you do that and tap update. Then after tapping update, your changes will be saved, and your new email will receive a verification message from Mercari. So go to your inbox after changing the email, click on the verification message, follow the instructions that is in the message, and then your change will be confirmed. So that is how easy it is. So just find your way to your settings page, all right, select email, edit it, and they are good to go. Thank you for watching and have a good day.